we live to be old enough, half of us will have Alzheimer's, called the healthcare crisis of the 21st century. 5 million Americans and their families suffer from this mind-robbing disease.
Terry, every 72 seconds, another person comes down with Alzheimer's, and researchers are working around the clock to try and stop that, including researchers in Elkhart who are now part of an international study.
Hello.
Okay, how are you doing?
Fine, thank you.
65-year-old Jacqueline Hoyt of Niles spent 40 years of her life taking care of others as a nurse. She found out 3 years ago she has Alzheimer's disease.
That was a tough time.
But she couldn't remember why she quit working. Her husband Arthur filled in the blanks.
When the doctors had to give her time off.
They decided to enroll in the ACARA, or BAPI study, at the Elkhart Clinic. One of 70 sites nationwide testing a new drug.
We all know that there's some people with very, very mild Alzheimer's, there's people with severe Alzheimer's. We're basically looking for people in the middle.
So far, Jacqueline and 6 other patients in Michiana have fit the profile. Patients get 7 infusions over a several-month period, much like chemo. This is the 3rd phase of the study, so if it's promising, the next step is FDA approval for use by Alzheimer's patients. Dr. Thomas Vidic says they have hope that the drug they're testing could influence the protein in the brain that causes Alzheimer's.
And allow either for slowing down the disease or the patient being able to function at a higher level.
Bunny says they make no promises, and the patients know that some of them will be getting a placebo.
They're in this for the science. They know that this is to help advance, maybe for them, but especially for understanding the disease process and developing at least a treatment for the future.
No.
Jackie knows it may not cure her Alzheimer's.
I'm a retired nurse, and so you never get out of that realm.
We're moving forward, and I think that's the exciting part.
An exciting part that Arthur and Jacqueline hope will benefit them, and maybe one day millions of people suffering from Alzheimer's.
All we can do is wait.
This study is being funded by 2 drug companies. Wyeth and Elan will take about 20 months.
And Mo, I understand they're still looking for people to take part in this study.
They are, Terry, and that's the good news. They need people with moderate Alzheimer's